Boston Scientific for the subcutaneous defibrillator. Let me ask Dan Goldman, Vice President of Research and Development, Cardiac Rhythm Management Business, to come up. Let me tell you a little bit about this product. Sudden cardiac arrest is a leading cause of death among adults over the age of 40 in the United States and in other countries. In the US alone, about 1,000 individuals per day and 9 out of 10 victims die. In fact, amazingly, the number of people who die each year from sudden cardiac arrest is roughly equivalent to the number who die from Alzheimer's disease, assault with firearms, breast cancer, cervical cancer, colorectal cancer, diabetes, HIV, house fires, motor vehicle accidents, prostate cancer, and suicides all combined. Now, just a few decades ago, most people who experienced ventricular defibrillation died of cardiac arrest unless they received emergency medical treatment within minutes. Then, in February 1980, the first ICD was implanted in a patient at Johns Hopkins, and that really led to a revolution in the treatment of life-threatening ventricular arrhythmias. The introduction of Boston Scientific's ICD marks a huge advance in defibrillating technology and our ability to treat patients at high risk for sudden cardiac death. Boston Scientific's subcutaneous defibrillator was approved in the US in September 2012 and is truly one of a kind. It's got very innovative technology and it leaves the vasculature untouched. The system is implanted in the left thoracic region using just anatomical landmarks, and it has subcutaneous electrodes instead of transvenous leads that sense and then deliver pacing or defibrillating shocks. So this new product is a very important, much less invasive alternative to patients with ventricular tachyarrhythmias. It's particularly valuable for frailer individuals who can't endure the traditional ICD implantation. And since the device has already been available in Europe and New Zealand since 2009, it's amassed a sizable base of clinical evidence indicating that it reduces the risk of vascular injury, lead complications, and infections. So the Boston Scientific Sub-Q defibrillator is indisputably a first-in-class technology. Congratulations to Boston Scientific and the S-ICD for winning this year's Prix Galien.
Well, that was lovely and a much better speech than I was going to give, actually. So thank you. So as Vice President for R&D for the Cardiac Rhythm Management Division of Boston Scientific, I'd like to extend our gratitude to the Selection Committee and to the Prix Galien Foundation. On behalf of our 24,000 employees, and in particular the S-ICD development team, who worked tirelessly and against probably a great deal of conventional wisdom to bring this system to patients across the world, it's just an extreme honor to be presented with this esteemed award. In the United States, over 350,000 individuals die every year from sudden cardiac arrest, and the implantation of an automatic defibrillator is the most effective treatment. The fundamental premise underlying the development of the subcutaneous ICD was to create a first-of-its-kind, entirely subcutaneous implantable defibrillator system without leads in or on the heart. This important improvement enables the S-ICD system to deliver proven defibrillation therapy without the issues or complications associated with traditional transvenous leads, and that's a really big deal. To date, over 2,500 patients have received the life-saving benefits of the S-ICD system. We are grateful for all the patients that volunteered to participate in the clinical work that benefited many others that followed, the perseverance, the extreme perseverance of the S-ICD development team, the partnership with our clinical advisors, and the regulators that allowed Boston Scientific to bring this life-saving therapy to patients and to markets. Thank you very much.